Hi, Dominic. It was nice talking to you today. So, this is the video I was talking about, and I won't keep you too long, so I'll just jump right in. So, I didn't find a website for you, so if you do have one, it's not coming up. So, there might be a couple things you might need to do to it. But anyway, I just thought I'd do a Google search and kind of show you a little bit about what you might be missing if you don't have a website. So, I had just looked for, hard surface floor installation in Kirkland, and the top is what comes up as ads, and that's almost always the case. Ideally, where you'd want to be would be in this map pack. So this map pack is where most people will click just because it's fast and it's easy. And you can get into this map pack by making sure that you have a Google business page and that it's completely optimized and updated, and then make sure that you have as many citations as you can get. So there's a lot of directories out there, Yellow Pages, Yelp, all those kinds of things. If you need to get your information in there, and then those citations will help you to rank in this Google Map Pack. So also we have the organic search results down below. So I just went ahead and found your competitor, probably the main competitor in your area, and that was Seattle. It was the discount builders. And so I'm just going to kind of compare with their site just to kind of show you what you might be missing. So, I mean, their site is just fine. There's nothing wrong with it. Although when you do build a site, you'll want to make sure that you have about 1,500 words of content that will help you to get onto the first page of Google and stay there. And the reason is that when Google sends out its crawlers, they read your site and they don't just check to see if your information is relevant, they also count how many words you have. So anyway, and then this is kind of like looking at the back door to a website. So once you have a website, you'll want to, make sure that you get some good quality backlinks, because they are what gives your website its power, which is its domain rating, and its trust, which is your UR rating. And so just for an example, a backlink is when somebody else gives you a shout out, they link back to your business. It's either in a directory or maybe somebody has posted something or there's a blog, something like that. And these guys have over 900 of those backlinks. So they're not all created equal. So one thing that you always want to look at is to see what their power is, because some of that power transfers over to your site. And right now, just looking at this, they've got some really good ones. So all you do is, I mean, there's programs other than Ahrefs out there. You just look for all of their do follow links, and then you go ahead and click into them. Some of them are going to be directories and that sort of thing, and you just get your information in them, and then you will have that backlink also. And that will help to bring people to your site. Another really important thing are keywords. So keywords need to be utilized on a website because people are looking for specific things every single month. So for example, these guys as keywords, they must work with Arizona Tile and stuff like that. So I mean, they're ranking high for those because a lot of people are looking for those. But if you get down to where you're looking at maybe, let's see, wood flooring near me, there's like over 5,000 people looking for that every month. Let's see, installing the laminate flooring, there's almost 5,000 people that look for that every month. So, I mean, there's a really big search volume, and, people are looking for really good qualified installers. I used to work for a flooring company, and I know that was one of the biggest struggles was us finding people, but, the good ones are hard to find, and you definitely want to give those folks some business. And that's why I'm kind of showing this to you, just to let you know that there are ways for you to rank on Google, just in case you don't have a website, or didn't really know how to do a website. So I will reach out to you tomorrow and maybe get a little bit of feedback and see if this was helpful for you. Thanks a lot. I hope you have a great night, Dominic.